Good morning, students. Today we will start with the new topic, that is comparing numbers. Right? Before starting exercise 1B, we will start with comparing numbers. Okay? Now how will you compare the numbers? Let me give you one example. Okay? Suppose the number is 2, 4, 8, 9. Okay, there are certain rules for the two different numbers. Let me give you one more number, that is 2, 8, 4, 6. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, the first thing you have to count the number of digits of both the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are 4-digit number, right? When both are 4-digit number, then the second rule you have to follow. Okay, what is the second rule? Now start comparing each number of digit. We will compare the first digit. Here first digit is 2, here also 2, both are same. So go to the second digit. Second, here it is 4, here it is 8. So 4, both are different. So 4 is smaller than 8. So this whole number is smaller than the other number. Right? That is the second rule of it. Once again I will explain you. If I tell you here 3, 4, 6 and I give you a 1, 2, 4, 9. Okay. The first rule, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number, this is 3-digit number. We all know 3-digit number is smaller than 4-digit number. So this 346 will be smaller than 1249. Right? Once again, one more thing. 5, 8, 0, 2, 5, 8, 1, 0. Right? Let me check. Let me show you once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first rule, we have to count the number of digits. Both the places 4-digit number, 4-digit number. Right? Both are 4-digit number. So now we will follow the second rule. Second rule is you have to compare both the numbers first digit first. Each digit you have to compare. Both have first digit 5, same. So go to the second digit 8, both are same. So go to the third digit 0 and 1. 0 is smaller than 1, so 5802 is smaller than 5810. Right? Same way, let me give one. Okay, 1,24,236 and here I will give you 'Okay, let's count first the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are 6-digit numbers. So now we have to follow the second rule, that is we have to compare both the numbers first digit. Here it is 1, here it is 1. So both are same. Go to the next one. 2, 2. Both are same. Go to the third one. 4, 0. Here there is a difference, that here it is 4 and here it is 0, right? So 4 is bigger than 0. So 1,24,236 is bigger than 1,20,236. Right? This way you can compare any number of digit, whether it is a 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7, 8, any number. The rule you have to follow, first compare the number of digits. Through number of digits, if it is like this, you can compare very easily. If both the numbers are having similar number of digits, then what you can do is you have to compare each digit of the numbers. Okay, go on comparing one by one all the digits. Wherever the digits are different, then which number is smaller than the other one or bigger than the other one, like that you can compare and keep the sign of it. Right? This was about comparing numbers. By using this rule, you can even write down, you can find out what is ascending order, descending order. Okay, this both thing, if you know how to compare, then you can find out the ascending order and descending order of the given numbers. Okay, I know you have already studied ascending order and descending order in the previous classes, earlier classes, but now let me explain you what is ascending, what is descending. Okay, ascending means small to big or big to small. It is small to big. How to remember it? Trick I'll tell you afterwards. Descending means big to small. Okay, ascending means small to big and descending means big to small. Now, so the trick to remember ascending and descending order, let me explain you how to remember. A, we are writing A by this way. A, the above side is small and down side is big, so small to big. And D means D for descending, D for down. Now when you will go down, when something big is there, if it is a staircase, then if a number is big, then only you will go down. Okay, so D for down. So from big to small you are going. Down means to go down, means to go to small. So big to small. This is a trick to remember. Okay, nothing else. If you remember like that, you can remember it. Now, whenever you are writing such type of number, whenever you have to find ascending order or descending order, you have to compare the different numbers. If I compare these two numbers, in ascending order, what will come first? This is smaller, so 2489 will come first, is smaller than 2846, right? If I give you one more number over here, that is 2852, then that will be, this is smaller than 2852, right? This is ascending order. Same way descending order. For descending order, you have to go to big to small, so you have to go opposite side. Now, what is the big number in these three? That is 2852 is bigger than 2846 is bigger than 2489, right? This way you can compare. For writing ascending and descending order, you need to learn comparing numbers, and that is why you have to learn comparing numbers, right? Now, let us start with another topic, that is exercise 1B. We'll start with exercise 1B now, right? Wait a minute. I think you should be clear with the comparing numbers and ascending and descending order, both the ways. Okay, let us start with exercise 1B. In that, question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is put the correct sign, means you have to put the sign of smaller or greater than. Okay, in that number A, 29,834, 36,001. Okay, as I told you, what you have to do, remember the rule number 1, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the ways 5 digits are there. So now rule number 2 you have to follow. Rule number 2 is you have to compare each digit of both the numbers. Here the first digit is 2. Here the first digit is 3. The first digit is only different. So now no need to go further. 2 is smaller than 3. So 29,834 is smaller than 36,001. Right? From here only you will understand. Right? This way you have to do all the other sums. Question number 2 is ring the greatest number in each of the following. Okay, you have to ring the greatest number. In that number A is 23,189, 32,189 and 31,218. Right? These 3 different numbers are given. Again, if you want to ring the greatest number, what you have to do? You have to compare these 3 numbers. Okay. First of all, the first rule. What is the rule? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 3 numbers are of 5 digits. Right? So now what you will do? Start comparing each digit of three different numbers. 2, 3, 3. This both are same. Here it is 2. So this is the smallest number. 2 is smaller than 3. So this is the smallest number. So what you have to do? This will not come in our answer. Why? Because we have to count the greatest number. We have to circle, ring the greatest number, right? So now only these two number I will compare. 3, 3 both are same. So go to the next number, that is 2, 1. 2, 1 both are different. 2 is bigger than 1. So our answer will be 32,189 is the greatest number from these three numbers. Is that clear, everyone? Right? This way you have to follow all the other sums. Same way in question number 3 they have given that ring the smallest number in each of the following. Okay. Here once again I will show you. Let me show you number D. Okay, this time 29,187, 28,197 and 29,178. Right. Once again we will count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are 5-digit number. So now rule number 2 will follow. That is, you have to compare each digit of the number. The first digit is 2, 2, 2. All are same. So now move to the next digit. 9, 8, 9. Here it is 9, here it is 9, here it is 8. We have to ring here smallest number. 8 is the smallest number. So we get the answer, that is 28,197 is the smallest number from these three. Is that clear? This way you can do the other sums. Now question number 4. Let us see what is question number 4. Question number 4 is, this is a list of the distance covered by some of the longest train journeys in the world. Rearrange in ascending order. See, in the world, the train journey means when you travel from one place to another through train, that is called train journey, right? Now through train, if you go somewhere and the place is very far away, so that the distance is so long, then that is the longest journey, right? Here they have given you the list of it, and with that how many kilometers they have, the distance is between two places is also given. You have to check the distance and then you have to arrange that numbers in ascending order. Okay, first one, Moscow to Vladivostok in Russia, that is 9,259 kilometer. Second is Toronto to Vancouver in Canada, that is 4,466 kilometer. Let me write down the numbers first here. First one is 9,259 kilometer, right? Second one is 4,466 kilometer. Okay. The third, Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari in India is 4,238 kilometer, right? And the Sydney to Perth in Australia is 4,352 kilometer, right? So these four numbers we have got, which we have to compare. These are the distance between two different places. Okay. Now we have to compare ascending order. Ascending order means, remember, A start from small, so from small to big. First we will count number of digits. First rule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are 4-digit number. So now second rule we will follow, and second rule is we have to compare the first digit of all the numbers. 9, 4, 4, 4. So it is 9. So this is the biggest number. We don't want biggest number right now, right? We want the smallest number. So now we will compare these three number. Second digit of this three number 4, 2, 3. Which is the smallest one? 2. So what will come first? First number is 4,238 kilometer is smaller than. So this is number 1. Is smaller than. Now 4 and 3. This is the second one. 4,352 is smaller than the second number. 4,000 9,466, this third number, is smaller than 9,259. This is number 4. Right? This way you have to compare the distance between the places and you have to arrange that number in ascending order. Right? Is that clear, everyone? Now we will move to question number 5. Question number 5 again is ascending order and descending order. Okay. Question number 5 is ascending order. Okay. Question number 5, rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay. In that, number A I am doing for you. Or let me do number D. It is quite big, so let me do number B. 1,84,396. 84,936. 89,346. 89,436. Okay. Don't forget we are doing ascending order of this. Okay. The first rule we have to follow for comparison. Count the number of digit of all the 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. Means this 3 are 5 digit number, this 6 digit number. Obviously this is the greatest number from this all, right? So we are writing ascending order, small to big, so this will come last. So now only we have to compare these 3 numbers. Okay. Now all the 3 are 5 digit numbers, so what we'll do here? Second rule we will follow, that is we have to compare the first digit of all the numbers. One by one all, okay. 8, 8, 8, all are same. Move to the second number. 4, 9, 9. These two are 9, 9 and both are bigger and 4 is smaller. So the smallest one is this. So first will come 84,936 is smaller than. Now we have to compare only these two numbers, right? Once again, second number was 9, 9 same. So move to the third number. 3, 4. Here it is 3, here it is 4. So 3 is smaller than 4. So this number is the second number of our answer. 89,346 is smaller than 89,436 is smaller than 1,84,396. Right? This is the way how you have to write ascending order. You have to write this in ascending order. Right? And the other sums also you will do by your own in this. Now let us move to question number 6. Question number 6 is once again, this is a list of some of the longest river in the world. In world the longest river list is given and they have given the measurement of it. Okay, rearrange them in descending order. We have to arrange them in descending order. Let me write down the numbers here. First, the distance, that is Amazon river is 6,400 kilometer. Amazon, right? Mississippi is 6,275 kilometer. Mississippi, okay. Nile river is 6,650 kilometers, okay. And Yangtze river is 6,300 kilometer. These are distance of 4 different rivers, and this we have to write in descending order. Don't forget, till now we have done ascending, now descending. So big to small, right? So here first rule we will follow. We will compare the number of digits of all the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? All are 4 digit number. So now what we will do? We will compare each number, each digit of all the numbers. First digit 6, 6, 6, 6. Move to the second one. 4, 2, 6, 3. See, 4, 2, 6, 3. From these numbers, all are different. Second digit is different in all. Right? Sorry. What will come here first? We have to find big. 4, 2, 6, 3. In that 6 is the big one. So this will come first. Right? 6,650 bigger than 6,400, bigger than 6,300, bigger than 6,275, right? This is the way we have to find the descending order, right? I think it is very clear to you. Question number 7 is also the same, that is descending order. We have to write the given numbers in descending order. Same method will be again repeated. From that also one sum I am doing for you. This time let me do number D. Number D, right? 64,931, 98,634, 1,10,184, 98,130. These are the 4 numbers given to us, right? We will write just now. What we'll do first? First we will follow rule number 1. Let us count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 digit number. This all are 5 digit number. We are writing descending order, so big to small. So our first answer number is 1,10,184 is bigger than. Now we have to find from this 3 number. We have to compare this 3 number. Okay. Let us compare the first digit of it. 6, 9, 9. 6 is the smaller than 9 and 9. So this will come last. So now we have to compare only these 2 numbers. 9, 9. 8, 8. 6, 1. 6 is bigger than 1. So our second answer will be 98,634 is bigger than 98,130 is bigger than 64,931. Clear everyone? This is the way how to write in descending. That's all for today.